everyone. Today's session I am going to discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. So here nucleophilic substitution reactions are two types. One is SN1 reaction, second one is SN2 reaction. These are first one SN1 reaction, second one SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. So first of all, I will discuss about SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. So SN1 reaction is one means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, here the rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide only. Okay, students, understand? So here the rate of reaction is, that means rate. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. General formula of alkyl halide Rx. The rate equal to some constant K into concentration of alkyl halide. So here power means 1. Order of reaction is 1. That means it is first order kinetics. Okay, it is first order kinetics. Hence it is known as. Hence it is called unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here order is 1. Hence it is which order kinetics, students? First order kinetics. Hence it is known as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, tertiary alkyl halides are involved. Tertiary alkyl halides are best example for these reactions. It is two steps mechanism. It involves in two steps. So what is step 1 and step 2? Here step 1 formation of carbocation. Step 1 formation of carbocation intermediate. Let us consider an example. Tertiary alkyl halide. 3 alkyl groups attached to 1 carbon. Tertiary alkyl halide. So here, this is tertiary alkyl halide. In the first step is slow step. The formation of carbocation intermediate. That means C plus CH3 plus Br minus. Okay, this is carbocation intermediate. This is step 1. Step 2, the formation of carbocation attached to nucleophile to form racemic mixture. Step 2, Second step. Step 2. So here the nucleophile attached to carbocation. Nucleophile means it carries negative charge. Rich of electrons are known as nucleophiles. The nucleophile attached to carbocation, both front side and back side, to give racemic mixture. That means racemic mixture means retention and inversion configuration is known as racemic mixture. But students, here carbocation. That means carbocation CH3 plus. This is carbocation. The nucleophile OH ions. In this nucleophile attached to carbocation, both front side and back side to form racemic mixture. So here nucleophile attached to front side to form OH CH3. This is retention configuration. And second one, nucleophile attached to backside to form inversion configuration. CH3 OH. This is inversion configuration. Both the retention and inversion configuration is known as racemic mixture. This is racemic mixture. Okay, students. Here the order of reactivity. The order of reactivity of SN reaction is SN1 reaction is tertiary, secondary, primary, and alkyne. This is the order of reactivity of SN1 reaction. Okay, understand, students? So SN1 reaction. Once again, I explain. SN1 reaction means one means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So one means here the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. So here R means 1, hence it is known as first order kinetics. Hence it is called unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay? So it involves in two steps. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1, formation of carbocation. So the formation of carbocation adds to nucleophile to form two products, retention and inversion configurations. Both the retention and inversion configuration is known as racemic mixture. This is first step. Here the order of reactivity of SN1 reaction is tertiary is greater than secondary, is greater than primary, is greater than alkyl halide. Second one, SN2 reaction. SN2 means bimolecular, N means nucleophilic, S means substitution reaction. This is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to both concentration of alkyl halide and nucleophile. Okay? The rate of reaction directly proportional to both the concentration of alkyl halide and nucleophile. Alkyl halide and nucleophile. That means, so the rate is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. General formula of alkyl halide Rx and nucleophile. So electron rich species are known as nucleophile. Here rate equal to some constant K into concentration of alkyl halide and nucleophile. So students, here alkyl halide R is 1, nucleophile R is 1, 1 plus 1 2. So hence it is which order kinetics? Second order kinetics. So it is second order kinetics. Second order kinetics. Hence it is known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Hence it is called bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides involves SN2 reaction. It is single step mechanism. That means one step mechanism. It is single step mechanism. Single step mechanism. Here primary alkyl halides CH3 Cl attached to nucleophile. Nucleophile means OH to form primary alcohol CH3 OH Cl minus. This is the one step mechanism. So I explain the mechanism. Here nucleophile primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides means halogen attached to primary carbon. This is known as primary alkyl halide. Methyl chloride CH3Cl. Methyl chloride and nucleophile means OH minus. Cl minus OH minus both are negative charges. Negative charges are represents. That means in this reaction OH attached to backside of the carbon only. Why it is attached to backside, students? In front side the Cl minus and OH minus both charges are same, hence these are repulsions. Hence OH minus attached to only backside of the carbon. Here nucleophile attached to carbon on backside, then simultaneously the bond breaks between carbon and Cl. Carbon and Cl. Okay students, to form C H Cl OH H. This is transition state. Which state, students? Transition state. This is slow step. And the next step is fast step. So here the bond between carbon and Cl breaks, then formation of alcohol OH and Cl minus. This is which alcohol, students? Primary alcohol. Understand? So in this mechanism, here nucleophile attached to carbon on backside to form primary alcohols. This is one step mechanism. In this reaction, so here nucleophile attached to carbon on backside, then simultaneously the bond breaks between carbon and Cl. Simultaneously the bond breaks between carbon and Cl. Here nucleophile attached to carbon on backside, hence it is known as Walden Okay, Walden Emerson. It is called Walden Emerson. Walden Emerson. For example, primary alkyl. So here the order of reactivity, of SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction is, students, primary, secondary, tertiary and alkyl halide. Primary is most important. So primary is greater than, secondary is greater than tertiary. This is SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction is known as which step mechanism, students? Single step mechanism. So the formation of primary alcohols, it is called Walden inversion. Walden inversion takes place. Walden inversion. These how many order of reactivities? Primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. So next one, write the mechanism of the following reaction. N-butyl bromide reacts with KCl to give N-butyl cyanide. Explain this reaction is either SN1 or SN2 reaction. Okay, students. So N-butyl bromide. So but means 4 carbons. CH3, CH2, 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 Br. This is the straight chain. So N in the before the node 1, 2, 3, 4. So N-butyl bromide is treated with potassium cyanide KCl. So give the product removal of K and Br to form KBr, CH3, CH2, 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 Cl plus KBr. So this is which mechanism? SN2 mechanism. For example, N-butyl bromide. So write the reaction is carbon Br H CH3 CH2C CH2C. This reacts with KCl. So KCl is dissociates into K plus and Cl minus. Here Cl minus carries its charge, negative charge. It acts as a nucleophile. So what is nucleophile, students? Cl minus. So here Cl minus attacks to carbon on backside to form inversion of configuration. So what is the product? To give carbon, hydrogen, Br, attacks to Cl minus on backside, and the remaining product is CH3, CH2, CH2. So this is which state? Transition state. And the next step is fast step. So here the carbon and Br, the bond between carbon and Br is breaks. Then Br is left, Br minus to form CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. This is the final product, N-butyl cyanide. Okay.